for the husband and the son. They are facing, but it doesn't matter if they're off it. In a corrupt society, that's what happens. They are very, very corrupt. There is a breach of judicial oath. They have violated the judicial oath. They have shown bias according to Supreme Court. They are biased against me. Supreme Court said so. And that is why what is happening in the judgments and rulings concerning me has been happening. So, disobedience to superior court orders. Supreme Court said you are biased. You are against this man. You should not have revoked his bail. Nigeria went to Kenya and kidnapped him. These things are in the public domain. Why therefore are they insisting on trying this? A court order was entered. In that very court order, it was said very clearly and distinctly that he is no more. That she is no more going to try me. Why are they insisting? Why are they insisting? I ask you, I've made your point. Because they have no case against me. They have no case against me, and they know.